Okay, tell what each of the residual plots to the right indicate about the appropriateness of the linear model that was fit to the data. Choose the best answer. So for this one, choose the best answer for plot A. So A, there's definitely a bend here, so linear model is not appropriate because we have this major bend or curve. So not a fan, it's a curve. So it would be B. Okay, so for curve B, we do see this fan here, and we see a fan and a curve, right? So it does not look like it's going to be appropriate. So the fan pattern indicates it's not appropriate, so it looks like B and C are the same. This is add-on though. The model's predicting power increases as the values of the explanatory variable increases. So here's our explanatory variable, the x. As that increases, notice I get tighter, and it's going to be a better prediction because these values are closer together. If the fan went in the other direction, then the predicting power decreases as it increases. And then for part C, not a fan, we have a bend and some outliers. So what we got here, from our choices, curve pattern and the residuals indicates the linear model is not appropriate. So the relationship is not linear. Okay, let's try another one very similar. Okay, we definitely have a bend here, right? So the curve pattern is not appropriate. Okay, for plot B, everything looks pretty good except we have one point here. We don't usually freak out too much over one point, so indicates most of the data fall along a straight line with the exception of a single point. Now, it doesn't have to be a straight line, just so long as it's sort of roughly equal through there. And then for part C, looks like we have another fan here. So the fan pattern indicates the linear model is not appropriate. The model's predicting power increases as the explanatory variable increases. Again, as we increase, notice there's very little variability in my residuals.